Hey everyone, how many times have you seen a new app, tool, or feature come out and wondered if you should hop on before it's too late? Well, last week, something huge happened that might just be your next big opportunity. Binance, one of the largest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world, has officially launched its own bot on Telegram. And trust me, this isn't just any bot. This is from Binance, meaning it's the real deal, not just some rumor or hype. Binance even announced it on their official support page, so we know it's legitimate and secure. This launch is groundbreaking for those of us in the crypto space, and I'm going to walk you through exactly why you should care and how you can jump in early to take advantage. Now, why is this bot so important? Imagine this. One of the most trusted platforms in the crypto world has entered the Telegram bot space. It's like they're setting the stage to take over a whole new area. And if you get in now, you could be at the forefront of something massive. Here's the best part. The bot is still brand new, which means you've got a window of opportunity to jump in early before things get too crowded. As with anything in crypto, being early is key. So what makes this bot worth your time, and why should you care? Let me walk you through the details. First and foremost, this bot is from Binance. That alone should give you confidence in its security and reliability. Binance is known for being a fully regulated platform, so you don't have to worry about shady practices or losing your funds. The bot itself is incredibly easy to use. No need to navigate through complex steps, just a few taps and you're ready to go. But before we dive deeper into how the bot works, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description below. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and info about projects we're working on, with 4 to 5 exciting launches happening this month. Plus, there's a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact with our community. Let's talk about the bot itself. As soon as Binance launched this bot, I started getting messages from people saying they had trouble getting it to work. If you've had the same issue, here's what you need to do. When you open the bot link, if it's not working right away, tap the bot's name at the top of your screen. You should see an Open App button. Click on that. If the bot still won't open, try restarting your Telegram app or be patient. This bot is brand new, and with the flood of people trying to use it, it might take a moment for everything to work smoothly. Once you're in, the interface is simple and easy to navigate. You'll see options like play game, invite friends, and more. Let's break these features down. One of the key steps to getting the most out of the bot is linking your Binance account. On the left side, you'll see an option to download the Binance app and verify your account. If you're already a Binance user, this step is straightforward. However, if you're not on Binance yet, you'll need to sign up and get verified before you can use all the bot's features. A crucial thing to remember is that once you link your Binance account to this bot, you won't be able to unlink it for 30 days. So make sure you're ready to commit before connecting your account. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting features of the bot. Inviting friends. For every friend you invite, you'll earn 10% of their rewards, and they'll receive 1,000 free points just for joining. It's a win-win situation. The tasks are simple, like sharing a campaign to your story. I did this earlier, and my points skyrocketed in no time. But here's what really stands out. The game inside the bot. When you tap play game, a claw machine-style interface pops up. You click a button, and the claw drops, trying to collect points. It's easy, kind of fun, and a little addictive. But be careful, there's a twist. If the claw grabs a cable instead of a point, you lose points. I was on a roll until I hit a cable and dropped from 65 points to 55. The game is fun, but can be frustrating, especially since you only get 6 attempts per hour. That means you'll need to keep coming back to play, which is part of the strategy to keep you engaged. So what's the bottom line here? This Binance bot is a game changer, and it's backed by one of the most trusted platforms in crypto. If you get in early, play your cards right, and use the features, you could really benefit from it. Right now, while the bot is new and still growing, is the perfect time to dive in and get familiar with how it works before the rest of the world catches on. I'll be keeping an eye on this bot as it evolves, and if there are any updates or changes to the features or airdrop rewards, you can be sure I'll make a video to keep you all in the loop. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, the earlier you get involved in opportunities like this, the better your chances of success.